नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू जागरण हाईटेक। बुलेट इज बैक इन इट्स ऑल न्यू अवतार और हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड के सीईओ मिस्टर गोविंदराजन। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग विद अस।
Namaskar.
सर, हाउ बिग इज इट अ चैलेंज टू रिवाइव एन आइकॉन इन अ ऑल न्यू अवतार, न्यू जनरेशन?
See, we enjoy motorcycling, yeah, and every day we ride to the office, and we always ride with the community. In 1955, when Royal Enfield came into India, उसी समय हम लोग फर्जिकली हम बनाए थे. So that's where we were making the motorcycles. Then on, the public also started enjoying it. And over a period after, we really felt there is a space for the middleweight motorcycle. And that's why we will focus the middleweight. And our focus has been continuously in the middleweight motorcycles. Today, it's an important day for Royal Enfield because we are bringing in the all-new 350cc on the super refined J series engine. Bullet has about 9 decades of the tradition. So as a responsible manufacturer and the brand custodian, we also thought when we are taking it to the next generation, we have to take this Bullet motorcycles in the way it was and the way it is and the way it should be. So that's why we retained the form factor, the look, feel of the entire motorcycles. For example, I can tell you the entire headlamp casing, which used to be at a point of time on a gravity die cast, but now on a pressure die cast. But even today, the headlamp, the tiger lamps, all those things are retained as it is to give the same look. For example, the fuel tank, which used to be made almost about with 11 different parts by hand smithing, welding, tinkering, buffing, all those things. But it used to have quality issues. Now we have improved it with the 3-piece construction with the laser welding as a new technology, but we retained the teardrop shape, the lovely looking fuel tank with all the pinstripes even today being manufactured with the hand. The heart and soul is actually put into this, making these motorcycles. You can see the bench seat arrangement which is there. We haven't changed. But if you look at it, it will be contemporary, but it is Bullet. It is unmistakably, it will be Bullet. That's why we said, आप सारा बदल दो, लेकिन कुछ भी ना बदलना. That's what we gave it to the designers, and they have done a fantastic job of the exact looking, but yet improved Bullet into the next generation.
Now, I rode the motorcycle. It's a lovely motorcycle. It's a huge upgrade on a performance front. Now, with this model, you have a bouquet of products in 350cc category.
Correct.
Price range almost 1.5 lakh to 2.25 lakh.
Correct.
And being a market leader with Classic and Bullet, you see a lot of challenges coming in from different fronts. How do you see that as a threat, and what kind of opportunity does Royal Enfield see in the same space?
The Royal Enfield as of now, our focus is only on the middleweight. Middleweight is, for example, 250 to 750cc. That's what we defined as a middleweight. The current scenario, we are the market leaders. In the middleweight 250cc and above, our market share is as good as almost about 90%. This market, the middleweight market, if I have to tell you about a decade back, it was just 50,000 numbers per year. Today, the middleweight is as good as about 9 million, which was completely market was grown by us. We grew it, and that's why we are 90% as a market leader. But the market is moving towards the higher cc and a higher power motorcycle, where we have slew of new products which are coming up. We see the market will be growing much more, and we'll also grow as a leader in this. We don't focus much on the competition because we are obsessed with the consumer. We like to work with the consumer. We like to understand what the consumer wants. We like to understand what the community wants. We go back to the community and make the motorcycles with the community wants. So our focus is more on community and consumers rather than the competition. I'm not saying we don't watch competition. Of course, we have to see what are they doing and to see what is that we have to do. But that's not deciding our strategy. Our strategy is decided by what the community wants.
One product every quarter, we have been seeing Royal Enfield on a roll in for last 24 months or so, and down the line we see the Himalayan and everything coming. But focusing on the new technologies front, and specifically my question comes on the EV front, what do we expect from Royal Enfield, and what is the timeline, expected timeline for that?
See, we are working on EV very intensely. We have a dedicated team of about 100 people. We have a CTO who is leading the whole thing. We have a growth officer for EV, because now we have to look at how do we grow the market for us. Today, the EV adoption is on scooters, and our focus is to always look at a very differentiated product which we have to bring in. And our focus as of now is signing up our suppliers, bringing out the motorcycle in a form which will actually disrupt it at a particular point of time. We are on record. 2025 will be the first time window. We will come out with an electric motorcycles, and then on you will see a lot of EV products which will keep coming one by one.
Bullet Meri Jaan and slew of products to come, and I hope. Congratulations and all
Thank
the
you
best.
very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you.